Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pay with Google Pay on Temu. For that, first of all, you need to simply launch your Temu app and then log in into your account. Then select the items from the home page that you want to purchase. You simply need to tap on this basket icon in order to add the products into your cart. Afterwards, tap on the cart tab in the bottom right hand corner, and here you will be able to see the list of all of the products that you have added. So from this list you can add and remove the items of your choice. Then tap on the checkout button and you will be landed on the checkout page. But before that, if you haven't already added your phone number and your address into your Temu account, then you will have to provide these details first. Only then you will be able to land it on the checkout page. Now here you need to scroll down, and in the payment methods you will see Google Pay as one of the options. So you need to select Google Pay, then you just have to scroll down and here it will show you the summary. If you have any coupon code, then you can even apply the coupon code by tapping on the apply coupon code option and by pasting the coupon code in this section. Then you need to tap on the submit order button in the bottom right hand corner, and then your payment will start processing. So you just have to simply process your payment and make the payment from Google Pay on Temu. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.